Hi guys, welcome to the Talking Dev. I'm Mark Njaroge and I'm the founder of the Talking Dev. In fact, the reason why I'm shooting this video is to welcome you and to be able to share with you the direction of the Talking Dev, why the Talking Dev, and why we are talking about the Talking Dev. And those are a lot of Talking Dev. Generally, the whole idea is that I wanted to create this channel whereby I'm giving back to the community and sharing the history of my life and the things that I do on the day-to-day basis. I'm a self-taught developer, so that means that all the information that I know is that I've scored online. I've also bought courses online so that I can be able to learn the things that I know. So that means that it is also my time to start giving back to the community and sharing back what I've learned, maybe for free or even from those bought courses that I've been able to buy online. I believe that there is some person outside there who is maybe beginning their career, or probably they've already begun their career either from away or as a self-taught developer as myself, and they are wondering where they can get information and the best information to learn things. YouTube have sometimes a bad reputation of giving either too little or unstructured information. Technically, that's something that you struggle with if you learn by yourself, trying to churn out what is good and what is healthy for you. So I've gone ahead and created the Talking Dev and founded the Talking Dev for the sake of filling that gap so that I can be able to share that structured information that I wish during the time that I was learning some basics, I could have got such kind of information online. So what exactly are you expecting from me? Technically is that I have a lot to share, and what I can say is that my stack usually start from, it is all about JavaScript, and of course there is front-end and back-end. And the reason why I chose JavaScript is because it is one language that has almost everything. In fact, I can say JavaScript is like a de facto language that has everything, running all the way from front-end to the IoT. So that means that if you learn JavaScript, like you're learning this language that is able to run everywhere and run everything. And the beauty of it, even if you're trying to get into the world of artificial intelligence, JavaScript is here to help you. So it is fact the reason why I am doing JavaScript. And before then, I tried my way with PHP, but I didn't find it as versatile as JavaScript. And the way JavaScript handles stuff is a little bit fun. Other competing languages that I thought maybe I should invest my time in is Python, but unfortunately I didn't go that route, and I'm hoping one day I do that. I hear they are doing better than JavaScript when it comes to AI, some field that I'm so much interested in. But for now, I'm doing web application. So my text stack, it is Man, where I specialize so much on MongoDB, Express, React, and Node. But I've already extended my horizon beyond those stack. I have built my skill on Postgres and also MySQL and other SQL databases. I'm also using ORMs like Prisma and TypeORM. So these are some other things that I've come to pick along the way. When it comes to backend, except other than Express, I've done Nest.js, which is interesting when it comes to all TypeScript. So that means that apart from writing my script on JavaScript, I write most of the time on TypeScript because I love the way TypeScript bring the whole idea of type safety, and also to bring me closer to my area knowledge on programming using PHP, because PHP had a way of object-oriented, which JavaScript didn't have. But by using TypeScript, I get most of that kind of experience that I used to have when I was doing PHP. Generally, beyond backend, I have my front end framework is React, and I've been extending that to full type of frameworks like Next.js. I'm also into Remix, so that's something new. I've also been trying to experiment with Svelte and SvelteKit. It is interesting to see how it solves stuff and cut down some of the external dependencies like animation, and put that all together into a single framework that is able to do that. But generally, with these kind of frameworks, they borrow from one another, and you find one or two things that is better from one framework than the other. So it's also a good idea to explore that world. When it comes to styling, of course, CSS is a de facto here, and we are also talking about Sass. And technically, besides other things like Bootstrap, mine is Tailwind. I've limited myself to Tailwind. I haven't done so much into Bootstrap. I used to do that sometimes back, but I love to write my styles plainly, and Tailwind is closer to doing that, especially when it comes to theming stuff. And on the world of React, I've been doing style components, and also I've been right now I'm so much interested with material components than the MUI. So that one is something that I'm trying to look into and get my feet wet into that area. And when it comes to designing, expect stuff from Figma. I've also done XD, but I like Figma more. I've also done other graphic and design areas like Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, and but currently all my energy is on programming, and that is on JavaScript. Those are the things that you expect to come from me, and things that I'm going to share with you a lot going on forward and in this channel of the Talking Dev. So expect much from me when it comes to these areas that I've mentioned. That is it, guys. And if you have not yet subscribed and you find the concept of the Talking Dev interesting to you, because the Talking Dev is all about these talks about the dev and the ideas, tutorials here and there. That means that if you find yourself in that realm where you want to know something within the context of my tech stack, I think this is the channel for you. And perhaps all I urge you is subscribe. And if you have some friends also who are interested in the same tech stack, share the videos and the link of my channel so that they can be able to subscribe, and also find the notification bell icon there so that you can be notified every time that I release new videos. And on the other hand, I like to hear from you. This channel is quite fresh right now, and that means that there is some more things that they are coming on the way, and I would like to hear your feedback so that I can be able to grow this channel to that level that maybe we have 100k subscriber going upward. Up to that point, thank you for watching. Bye.